In the realm of history, where the echoes of faith resonate through time, there exists a remarkable encounter that unveils the profound depths of human faith and spiritual fortitude. This is the story of Hazrat Huraira, radiyallahu anh, and his encounter with Shaitan. As we journey through this narrative, we will witness not only the challenges faced by this revered companion, but also the unyielding strength of his faith. His story serves as a beacon of light, guiding believers through their own trials and tribulations. Stay with us as we delve into this compelling narrative and uncover the lessons it holds for all of us. Remember to subscribe to our channel to continue exploring such inspiring tales. Through these stories, we find reflections of our own struggles and triumphs, and the timeless wisdom that has been passed down through generations. By subscribing, you become part of a community dedicated to understanding and living by the profound teachings of Islam. Let's embark on this spiritual journey together, discovering the essence of true faith and the resilience of the human spirit. Hazrat Huraira's eminence in Islam. Hazrat Huraira, radiyallahu anh, one of the most devoted companions of the Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, is revered for his profound wisdom and unshakable faith. His real name was Abdurrahman ibn Sakhr ad-Dawsi, but he is famously known as Abu Huraira, which means father of the kitten, a nickname given to him by the Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, due to his fondness for a small cat he often carried. Known for narrating numerous hadiths, his life exemplifies unwavering dedication to the principles of Islam. He embraced Islam during the 7th year of Hijrah and quickly became one of the most devoted followers of the Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. His memory was exceptionally strong, allowing him to remember and recount over 5,000 hadiths, earning him the title of one of the greatest narrators of hadith. Hazrat Huraira, radiyallahu anh, spent countless hours in the company of the Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, learning and absorbing the teachings of Islam. His commitment to preserving and transmitting the hadiths has had a profound impact on Islamic scholarship. His narrations cover various aspects of Islamic life, from daily practices to deep spiritual insights. This immense contribution has made him a central figure in Islamic history, with his narrations serving as a cornerstone for understanding the Prophet's sallallahu alaihi wasallam teachings, a test of faith. One day, Hazrat Huraira, radiyallahu anh, found himself face to face with Shaitan, a moment destined to test his faith and resolve. The encounter was not merely a physical meeting, but a spiritual battleground where faith was pitted against deception. The gravity of this encounter can only be understood by recognizing the ever-present struggle between good and evil that every believer faces. Shaitan, the eternal adversary, seeks to lead believers astray by exploiting their weaknesses and doubts. For Hazrat Huraira, radiyallahu anhu, this was a pivotal moment that would test the very foundation of his faith. He was not merely defending his own belief but also standing as a representative of all who strive to follow the path of righteousness. The tension in this encounter highlights the broader spiritual struggle that every individual experiences. It serves as a reminder that faith is often tested in the most unexpected moments, and the strength to overcome these tests comes from deep within, rooted in unwavering belief and trust in Allah. The deceptive encounter. Shaitan approached Hazrat Huraira, radiyallahu anh, in a deceptive guise, attempting to sow seeds of doubt and lure him away from the righteous path. With cunning words and subtle temptations, Shaitan sought to undermine his faith. This encounter was characterized by Shaitan's clever manipulation, aiming to exploit any potential vulnerability. Shaitan's tactics are always shrouded in deceit, making the evil path seem alluring, and the righteous path fraught with difficulty. Shaitan knows that direct confrontation with a believer as strong as Hazrat Huraira, radiyallahu anh, would be futile, so he resorted to subtler, more insidious methods. He whispered doubts, questioning the very core of Huraira's beliefs and the authenticity of his faith. Shaitan's goal was to create a chasm between Hazrat Huraira, radiyallahu anh, and his unwavering devotion to Allah. This encounter is emblematic of the daily struggles that believers face, where the whispers of Shaitan try to divert them from their spiritual journey. It reminds us that the battle against Shaitan is a constant one, requiring vigilance, wisdom, and an unshakable commitment to faith. The shield of Iman. Despite Shaitan's efforts, Hazrat Huraira's radiyallahu anh, Iman, faith, stood as an impenetrable shield. His deep-rooted belief in Allah and the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam fortified him against the devil's schemes. The strength of his faith was not an accident, but the result of years of dedication, learning, and practice. His life was a testament to the power of living in accordance with Islamic principles, which provided him with the spiritual armor needed to resist Shaitan's temptations. Hazrat Huraira radiyallahu anh, drew upon his vast knowledge of the Quran and hadith, recalling verses and sayings that reaffirmed his commitment to Allah. This inner reservoir of faith and knowledge acted as a bulwark, protecting him from Shaitan's attempts to lead him astray. His unwavering belief demonstrated that true Iman is not easily shaken. It is a steadfast force that can withstand the most formidable challenges. This episode serves as a powerful reminder that cultivating a strong and resilient faith through continuous learning, practice, and devotion is crucial for every believer. The power of dhikr. In the face of temptation, Hazrat Huraira radiyallahu anh, turned to dhikr, remembrance of Allah. By reciting verses from the Quran and invoking the names of Allah, he found strength and clarity, dispelling the whispers of Shaitan. Dhikr is a profound act of worship that keeps the heart connected to Allah, reinforcing a believer's spiritual resilience. For Hazrat Huraira radiyallahu anh, it was a source of immense strength, providing him with the clarity needed to see through Shaitan's deceptions. The act of dhikr is not merely about repetition, but involves a deep, heartfelt connection with the divine. It serves as a constant reminder of Allah's presence, mercy, and guidance. Through dhikr, Hazrat Huraira radiyallahu anhu was able to maintain his focus and reaffirm his commitment to the righteous path. This practice not only fortified his own faith, but also serves as an enduring lesson for all believers. Shaitan's retreat. Realizing his efforts were in vain, Shaitan eventually retreated. This encounter not only reinforced Hazrat Huraira's radiyallahu anhu faith, but also served as a testament to the power of steadfastness and devotion in the face of adversity. The retreat of Shaitan symbolizes the ultimate victory of faith over evil. Hazrat Huraira's radiyallahu anhu unwavering commitment and reliance on Allah's guidance proved insurmountable for Shaitan. This victory was not just a personal triumph but a significant moment that exemplifies the strength that comes from true devotion. It reassures believers that even the most cunning deceptions of Shaitan can be overcome through faith and perseverance. The story emphasizes that Shaitan's power is limited and can be thwarted by those who remain steadfast in their faith. Hazrat Huraira's radiyallahu anhu experience is a powerful reminder that every believer has the potential to resist and overcome the temptations of Shaitan by staying true to their faith and continually seeking Allah's guidance and protection. Lessons for believers. The story of Hazrat Huraira radiyallahu anhu and Shaitan is a powerful reminder for all believers. It underscores the importance of unwavering faith, regular dhikr, and the need to stay vigilant against the ever-present temptations of Shaitan. This narrative illustrates that the journey of faith is fraught with challenges, and every believer must be prepared to face them with resilience and conviction. Hazrat Huraira's radiyallahu anhu encounter teaches us that the key to overcoming these challenges lies in maintaining a strong connection with Allah through constant remembrance and adherence to Islamic principles. It also highlights the significance of having a solid foundation of knowledge, as Hazrat Huraira's radiyallahu anhu deep understanding of the Quran and hadith equipped him to counter Shaitan's deceit. This story serves as an enduring lesson on the importance of spiritual preparedness, reminding us that faith is a powerful shield against evil. By drawing inspiration from Hazrat Huraira's radiyallahu anhu example, we can strive to strengthen our own faith and remain vigilant in our spiritual journey. An enduring legacy. Hazrat Huraira's radiallahu anha, encounter with Shaitan remains a timeless lesson in the annals of Islamic history. His steadfastness and devotion continue to inspire Muslims around the world, encouraging them to uphold their faith with similar fervor. His legacy is not just limited to his personal encounter with Shaitan, but extends to his immense contributions to Islamic knowledge. As one of the most prolific narrators of hadith, Hazrat Huraira, radiallahu anhu, played a crucial role in preserving and transmitting the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. His dedication to this task has had a lasting impact on Islamic scholarship and practice. The lessons derived from his life and experiences continue to guide and inspire generations of Muslims. His encounter with Shaitan is a powerful reminder of the importance of Islam. The wisdom of Hazrat Huraira. The wisdom of Hazrat Huraira radiallahu anhu extended beyond his steadfast faith. He was known for his insightful understanding of the Prophet's sallallahu alaihi wasallam teachings and his ability to convey complex spiritual concepts in a way that was accessible to all. His wisdom was a beacon of light for the early Muslim community, providing guidance and clarity on a wide range of issues. Hazrat Huraira radiallahu anhu often shared anecdotes and parables that highlighted key Islamic principles, making them relatable and easier to understand. His ability to simplify and convey profound truths helped many Muslims strengthen their own faith and understanding of Islam. The impact of his teachings. The impact of Hazrat Huraira's radiallahu anhu teachings on the Muslim community cannot be overstated. As a primary narrator of hadith, his contributions have been instrumental in shaping the understanding and practice of Islam. His meticulous attention to detail and commitment to accuracy ensured that the hadiths he narrated were reliable and trustworthy. These teachings have been a source of guidance for Muslims throughout history, providing insights into the life and practices of the Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The hadiths narrated by Hazrat Huraira, radiallahu anhu, cover a wide range of topics, from daily rituals and social conduct to spiritual reflections and ethical dilemmas. His work has provided a foundation for Islamic jurisprudence and has been a vital resource for scholars and lay people alike. The continued study and application of his narrations underscore the enduring relevance and importance of his contributions to the Islamic faith. The continuous battle against Shaitan. The story of Hazrat Huraira's radiallahu anhu encounter with Shaitan serves as a poignant reminder of the continuous battle against Shaitan that every believer faces. This struggle is not limited to any specific time or place, but is a universal experience for all who strive to live according to Islamic principles. Shaitan's tactics are varied and persistent, aiming to exploit weaknesses and lead believers astray. The story highlights the need for constant vigilance, regular dhikr, and a deep connection with Allah to resist these temptations. It reminds us that the battle against Shaitan is an ongoing one, requiring continuous effort and dedication. Hazrat Huraira's radiallahu anhu experience teaches us that no matter how strong our faith may be, we must always be prepared to defend it. This narrative encourages us to remain steadfast in our faith, seek knowledge, and rely on Allah's guidance to overcome the challenges posed by Shaitan. As we reflect on this profound story, let us strive to strengthen our faith and remain steadfast in our beliefs. Hazrat Huraira's radiallahu anhu encounter with Shaitan teaches us that with faith, dhikr, and vigilance we can overcome any challenge. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories from Islamic history. Thank you for watching, and may Allah bless you all.